Hello everyone, in this video I'm telling you something about this React share. React share is used to add a social media share feature in our React project like this. Here it's like it is displaying all the social media. Just include whatever you want. For example, I included this LinkedIn. Okay, if I click on this, it will redirect to post section, upload section. See, this link is coming from our React project. Okay, here you can type something and you can click on post. It will directly post here. Okay, yeah, this is how I'm going to implement. First we need to install this npm package. Yeah, here I already created a React project and also I'm running this project. First it's like, yeah, just install this package. If you have any, if you're using React 19 means just add this legacy, so it will install only specific package React share. Okay, so first I'm going to use this link. Okay, and then I'm going to add a LinkedIn. In my case I already installed that plugin. Okay, so first click on this button and just closing this, and here we need to pass some props like URL like that. If you want to see all the props, first go to LinkedIn. See, these are all the social media props and their values like this. Okay, so first I'm going to include LinkedIn, right? So this is LinkedIn. So for that I need to add title, summary and source like that. By default we can add a URL. This is what I'm going to share. Okay, also if I include title, I think it won't work because some social media will block the title whatever we gave in our code. Okay, const test. For now I just simply passing this, and if I save this it won't display icon. See, it is blank. If you want icon you need to include icon. LinkedIn, see this icon, it is imported. These are all coming from React share, and I'll just close this. See, here you can pass some of the props. Just scroll down and yeah, these are all the props. You can pass size, size 40 and rounded. If you want you can pass rounded like that. You can pass, these are all things. Okay, and I'll just save. See, LinkedIn is showing. If I click on this LinkedIn, that site link will pre-fill. See, the title is not filled here because it's blocking, so you can just type and you can share like that. Okay, like this you can include. If you want to include Facebook, some other things, means it's like I'll just include, yeah, I'll just add a Twitter share button. I'll just duplicate this, and this is Twitter icon, and I don't want round for now. See, it is showing box icon. If I click on this it will ask login page. Yeah, like this you can include a, see here test is filled here, the title is filled. This is how you can include a social media in your React project by using this React share. Yeah, this is what I did in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.